Travis made darkness feel cinematic. Drake made pain sound smooth and attractive. Post made loneliness melodic and passive. Uzi made sadness feel floating in magic. Big songs don't hit cause they lyrical only. They hit cause the brain get lonely. Simple hooks loop to the nervous system, know it. Ghosted the body singing for the mouth notice. That's dopamine science, electrical timing. Prediction and reward, the whole brain chiming. Every replay deep in pathways inside them. Now the song becomes your identity wiring. Travis made darkness feel cinematic. Drake made pain sound smooth and attractive. Post made loneliness melodic and passive. Uzi made sadness feel floating in magic. The greatest hooks are fun drivers. They compressed emotions down to one-liners. The body love patterns and repeated fixtures. That's why crowds scream songs back like scriptures. DJ, electric grills. My favorite song give me chills. In my skin, it mean I'm lit. For the song, it mean a hit. Also, I'm noticing God made dopamine. So I'm high, cause I'm focusing. Music is God and the go-between. A sentence is repentance. A verse to get your soul redeemed. The body hit a baseline first. Pain make the whole song work. Look the feeling till it hurt. That's why the whole world replay the verse. Heartbeat move with the drums. Nervous system go numb. Music ain't sound where I'm from. It's electrical waves through the lungs. Bass hit the rib cage, chest start shaking. Low frequencies literally move sensation. Heart sync rhythm through entrainment. Now the whole crowd breathing in synchronization. That's why arenas cross the spiritual fine line. 10,000 nervous systems on one timeline. One hook, one tempo, one guide. Music turns separate bodies to one hive. The best songs leave room in the production space. Let the listener emotionally function. Too many sounds create mental disruption, but emptiness let imagination touch it. Reverb make memories more like tuning. Vocal signatures, emotions are human. Distortion make the pain feel vivid. Imperfection make the nervous system live it. Cause the body detect life through texture, not robotic perfection and pressure. Breath sound, strain, slurs and gesture. Architect music, measure pleasure forever. DJ, electric grills. My favorite song give me chills. In my skin it mean I'm lit. For the song it mean a hit. Also, I'm noticing God made dopamine. So I'm high cause I'm focusing. Music is God in a go-between. A sentence is repentance. A verse to get your soul redeemed. Travis made dark, feel cinematic. Drake made pain, sound smooth and attractive. But the host made loneliness melodic and passive. Uzi made silence. Yeah, floating in magic. Music science, thoughts become waves. Waves become memory. Memory become behavior. Become identity. The body record everything, like magnetic tape in the brain. One song can change a whole life. Cause emotion physically stains. You lose yourself, ain't just motivation. It's cortisol, adrenaline, escalation. Tension built to the final statement. Now the body released through identification. See you again became grief preservation. God's plan became destiny, affirmation. Sunflower became emotional sedation. XO became depressed levitation. These records attached to autobiography. Car rides, heartbreaks, late night trying me. Now the song's tied into biology. Every replay reactivate memory like biology. The brain like a studio mixing a trauma. Heart like a kick drum under the armor. Lungs compressed waveform through the diaphragm harder. Music literally restructure human posture. So when the whole world scream one chorus, it ain't phantom, it's nervous system chorus. Rhythm, memory, emotion and performance. Human beings, biological endurance. notes play, they imprint inside the nervous system within. Travis made darkness, feel cinematic. Break made pain, sound smooth and attractive. Post made loneliness, melodic and passive. Uzi made sadness, floating in